Alright, hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. First of all, thanks to everyone for taking out time and watching this video. In today's video, it's not about any travel video, any location that I have covered in this month or nothing like that. Today I am going to unbox and review this Moza Mini Essential Mobile Gimbal. One of the finest product and cost effective if you are into vlogging or are very much into shooting some videos from your mobile. This is one thing that you need. Mini-S Essential Smartphone Gimbal from Moza. Alright, this is the name. This is the S model I have ordered, and I'm going to unbox it with you and see it. Wow, this already look amazing to me. Alright, let's see. This has this Moza sticker, getting started, and this user manual. Do read this, guys, before actually start using it. We guys tend to ignore it, but this is very helpful and useful tutorials user manual. Alright, so this is the tripod stand. I'm just going to open it. Yeah. Alright, this is the mini tripod. We'll fix the gimbal on this. What else we have? We have this cable. Your storage pouch. You can carry your gimbal easily in this pouch. Okay, we have this charge cable. That was a camera control cable. This is the charging cable, and very good thing is this is C-type charge cable, not the normal Android one, the Samsung one earlier. This is the announcement. Alright, and the main gimbal is here. Wow, this looks amazing. Okay, so it has few important buttons, like this is our battery indicator, on off switch. Just try it if it is okay. You can see the light is blinking. It is charged as of now. And this is the lock button. You have to unlock it to here, like this. Yeah. So your gimbal is ready to use. I'll request everyone to go through the user manual before, if you are using it for the very first time. There are a lot of functions in this, and one important thing, to use this gimbal with your mobile, you need to download one Moza Genie App from Playstore. I'll post the link in the description below. Just go through that, download that app, and that app will help you in controlling this gimbal, and you can change your frame per speed or the resolution all through that app. One important thing is, like, maximum limit of shooting the video is a 4K video with only 30 frames per second. You can, even if you have support of 60 frames per second, but with that app you can only shoot up to 30 frames per second video. There are other very good features of this gimbal is This is again a 3XL control gimbal which have you say follow mode effect, your yaw and pitch and roll. It is not 360 roll, it is a 270 roll model, and this is a restriction in this model. You can only roll up to 270 degree, not full 360 degree. But I am very excited to use this, and obviously in the upcoming videos of mine you will see the other features and use of this gimbal. Okay, I can quickly give you the highlights of this. It has different modes, like inspection mode. It has a very good stabilizer. For example, if you are shooting a video through your handheld device, it is much far better than that. Your videos will have less vibration and shake in using this gimbal. You can look a closer look of this gimbal. So I tell you about something about this Moza Mini-S Gimbal. Its MRP is 7,990. It's around 8,000, but on Amazon I have ordered it in 5,200, and it has 8 hours of battery life and 2 hours of shoot time. So which is very good. If you are traveling, you don't need to charge it again and again. Just one time charge and you will be able to shoot good videos, and entire day you can shoot small bites. Alright, so I am all set to use this, and I am very excited to use it in my upcoming videos. Now I have just fixed the tripod and make it stand as well. So this definitely will add value to my upcoming videos. You guys will definitely see much more improvements from my previous videos, and this is my reason to buy this gimbal. What's your reason? Just post in the comments if you like it. Alright, thank you, stay tuned and watch more videos using this gimbal. Thank you.